Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why matrices are important? You just write numbers in random orders, and why matrices are important? Why do you do operations on it? So let's say, why do you do transpose of a matrix? Let me just rotate this one for you. The rotation has been done, and then again I did the rotation. What is actually happening? You see, the pixels of this picture, every pixel is getting transposed. This is just the transpose of a matrix, nothing else. This is the background. Myself, Shwetnisha, I've been teaching mathematics from the last few years. I'm an ex-alumni of IIT. I have done my master's from the IIT. I have been teaching, and I have helped so many students to overcome their fear of mathematics in these years. I was associated with many universities, students of many universities. They are most of the time struggling with the very basic concepts. Mathematics is inside you. We are, as a teacher, we just enhance that mathematical maturity within you. This whole year of teaching mathematics, what it has taught me that everything around you is related to maths. And when you cannot see that maths, it is difficult for you. With me, you can actually relate your surroundings with the mathematics, and with both of us, we can make mathematics as a fun, and you can relate it with the surroundings and you can enjoy it. Thank you so much.